Here, the core urban region economy is Hyderabad at its most dynamic, where artificial intelligence, aerospace, genomics, and the industries of the future thrive. Pure, the peri-urban region economy is the industrial and logistical powerhouse that surrounds it, where goods are made, moved, and scaled. Rare, the rural agriculture regional economy is our farmland, our forests, our green lungs transformed into engines of agri-entrepreneurship, ecotourism, and carbon stewardship. Together, these three zones stitch together every part of Telangana into a common growth story. Cure innovates, Pure delivers, and Rare sustains. On inclusion, our approach is unambiguous. From Mahila Shakti to Right Bharosa to Young India residential schools, we are not offering charity. We are building quality, equity. This growth will leave no one behind in the society. On sustainability, our goal is clear. Net zero by 2047, and more than that, a state where economy and ecology are not in conflict but in collaboration. But perhaps what is most important to me personally is how this vision has been built.